Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best spring clamps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Amazon Basics Steel Spring Clamp Set. The Amazon Basics 20-piece steel spring clamp set is a great addition to any toolbox. Made of non-corroding nickel-coated steel, these clamps are durable and long-lasting. The tempered steel springs provide quick and smooth opening and closing, while the non-marking PVC-coated tips protect surfaces from damage. The pressure point near the jaw tips allows for effective clamping, and the PVC-coated handles offer a non-slip hold. This clamp set comes with a 1-year limited warranty from Amazon Basics. Moving on, at number 4, we have the 12-pack spring clamps for crafts. The Rometa 12-pack. Spring clamps are perfect for your DIY projects like photography, background, and carpentry. Made of durable plastic, these spring clamps are designed to last with rugged nylon construction that helps keep your project placed. The orange splint is flexible and rotates to adjust different objects, while the high-strength spring applies a certain pressure, making these clamps strong and efficient to use. Additionally, the human engineering handle offers a comfortable and anti-slip grip, reducing hand fatigue and increasing efficiency. At number 3, we have the ELEAD heavy-duty metal spring clamps. The ELEAD spring clamps are built to last, featuring a strong metal construction that ensures durability for various tasks. With a 6-inch size and a 2.5-inch opening, these clamps offer versatility, making them perfect for different projects. Their anti-corrosion design, made from nickel-plated steel, helps prevent rust, ensuring long-term performance for woodworking and more. Plus, the ergonomically designed handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing you to work with ease and precision. The non-slip rubber cover protects surfaces, making these clamps a reliable choice for any job. At number 2, we have the EQUIPTZ heavy-duty 4-inch spring clamps. EQUIPTZ heavy-duty 4-inch spring. Clamps come in a 10-pack for a smooth DIY experience. The jaw pads are securely held in place with strong jaw grips, preventing them from falling off during use. With a large clamp strength of 20 pounds, these clamps hold tightly without damaging the object being clamped. The soft rubber handles provide a comfortable grip and minimize hand fatigue. The robust and rust-free body ensures enhanced durability with the anti-rust electrophoretic-coated manganese steel spring. These clamps are ideal for woodworking, backdrop stands, and outdoor uses. And finally, at number 1, we have the HORUSDY 8-pack 5-inch heavy-duty spring clamps. The HORUSDY 80-pack 5-inch heavy-duty spring clamps are made of reinforced glass fiber nylon construction, featuring double TPR handle for comfortable grip and ergonomic design. With a maximum jaw opening of 2, 3 through 8 inch, the clamps can hold thicker material effectively. The tempered steel coil spring generates a maximum clamping force of 25 pounds, ensuring stable grip and protection of the working surface. These clamps are suitable for professional woodworking, photography, art, and other DIY projects. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.